Hello everyone. So as you know, today is Mother's Day, and whoever is watching this video, especially the mothers who are watching this video, I am wishing all of you a happy Mother's Day from DLC Ventures India team, and I would request all of you to check out this video which I am making it today, and this will be a special video as I will be sharing not one, not two, but 7 elements which will be useful to make designs on the Mother's Day. 7 keywords or 7 elements, 7 different types of elements which will be useful for making designs on Mother's Day. As you can see, all the keywords I have used, I have shared it here, and I will disclose all the keywords in this video. So before that, I would request all of you to please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you new types of videos and tutorials on Canva for absolutely free. And let's start with our first keyword, and this is to let you know that all the keywords and elements which we are sharing it here, none of them are designed by us. They are designed by other artists and other Canva creators. So I am just curating these keywords so that it becomes easier for you, so that you can design it your own project or designs. And many of them are in pro section and many of them are in free section. So whoever is using pro section and free section, both will get helpful from this video. So let's start with it. So let's come to our first keyword. So you have to go to elements and type this set. As you can see, it's written here. I am zooming it for you so that you can understand it beautifully. And here are the typography effect or the typography effect as you pronounce it. So these are the elements. As you can see, all are in pro section, and if you have a pro account, you can use it on your own. Okay, so this is the first keyword. So let's jump in to our next keyword. Okay, so next keyword is this one, this set. I am zooming it again for you so that you can understand it beautifully. So I hope you have just noted it down. Please pause the video according to your will so that you can just save the keyword. Okay, so these are the elements. As you can see, let's try it once, and as you can see, it's so beautifully made, and these you can use it for your own designs. There are many of them, and you can see the magic recommendations of these keywords in this video, and all of them again are in pro section. So if you have a pro account, again you can use all of them for your own designs. So let's jump to the third keyword. So this is Apura, mother and daughter. So as you can see, you can just copy the keyword again. So these are the designs, while some of them are in free section and some of them are in pro section. You can see that. Okay, you can scroll down to find the free and pro section, both of them, both the elements, and use it for your own purposes. Okay, so let's again jump to the fourth keyword. So the fourth different type of element is the active mother and child. Okay, so as you can see, the keyword, while most of them are in free section, some of them are in pro section, as you can find it here. so you can use it for your own designs. So or you can find it here. And the main thing is, most of the designs you can change the color according to will. Like you can do it like this, change the color to something like blue or like something like pink. You can do like that, the changes, and use it for your own design. Okay, so let's come to the fifth keyword or the fifth element, and let's show you the defined elements. Okay, so it's mom and daughter. So it's mom and daughter, and you can find all the inline elements, and you can again find that most of them are in free section, while many of them are also in pro section. So if you are a pro user, you can use all of them, while if you are a free user, you can use almost 50% of them for free for your project. Okay, so these are the different elements. You can just scroll it down and you can find it here, and you can use it for your own design. So for this you can't change the color, but you can use the elements for your design. Okay, so let's come to the sixth keyword. Okay, so the sixth keyword is mom and son. So you have covered the mom and daughter part, and now it's time for the mom and son part. Okay, so this is the keyword, and this time you will find these elements here, and here in some of them you can change the color like this, and in some cases like this. Okay, so you can change the color like this and use it for your own design, and in magic recommendation section you can find more of them and use it for your design. So it's time to share the last keyword or the seventh keyword of the day. So let's start with it. So this is the seventh keyword, which is another typography effect or the typography effect, and let's share it with you. And these are the keywords, and here only few of them are in free section, while the majority of them or the most part of the typography effects are in pro section. So like you can use it for your own designs and for your own design purposes or your own project. So again I want to clarify with you that these elements or the typography effects are not designed by me. I am just curating the keywords to present it to you in a tutorial format, so that you can learn the keywords in a better way. Okay, so I hope you learned some good keywords from this section, and I hope I can share some valuable information with you. If you like it, please do share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem regarding any video, please do comment in our this video or any other Canva tutorial video and let us know. Okay, so till then, check out this video and keep subscribing our channel and keep sharing this with other budding content creators or the designers. Thank you. Have a great day.